In this video, we'll learn how to make calls, answer calls, use the hold and mute keys, and request a callback. When your phone rings, you can lift the handset to answer, or press the speaker headset key to answer hands-free. To make a call, you can lift the handset, and then dial the number. Or you can press a programmed speed call button. Or to place the call hands-free, just begin dialing. Press goodbye to end the call. To place an active call on hold, press the hold key. The line key displays the flashing yellow hold icon. To retrieve the call, press the line key. To mute the handset, headset, or speaker, press the mute key. The mute key LED glows when mute is active. If the call you initiated is busy or is not answered, you can request a callback. Press the Call Me Back soft key and hang up. When the called party is available, your phone will ring.